So I'm here, it's me, Vacuummaster 1991, with a Hoover Windtunnel T-Series upright vacuum. It's kind of in the beaten up condition. It's been heavily used. The pre-motor filter was just cleaned. You can see I washed it in Dawn. It was really dirty. And I am going to snap the lid shut and this right here, the dirt bin doesn't lock on very well. And there's a whole bunch of dust on this thing. I don't know, I took off the post-motor filter. It's kind of dirty. I'll pull it out. It's actually really dirty. I need to put a new one. You can see it's kind of dirty it's kind of damaged right there. It probably should be replaced soon. I also cleaned the brush roll. If you can see, the brush roll was black. These bristles, they are supposed to be white, as you can see right here. And I also checked for clogs in this hose and in this one. There's a little bit of dirt and bin, but not very much. So I'm going to have this vacuum and begin. Sure. This is where some tape was stuck to the carpet. Staple stuck to the carpet right here. Got it. Loosened it with my foot and vacuumed it up. Go to this table here. Here we just pick something up. Side of my head kind of itches. Need to hold this cord too. Up something that's in the garbage. So I'll move the garbage can out. Oh! There's a bug back here. Got it! There's roaches and stuff all over this place. That was a cricket, but there's also a dead roach right there. Vacuum that up. There's kind of bugs everywhere here. Simply put, there's lots of insects at this place. There we go. Alright, that's all this outlet is able to do. So I'm going to unplug this machine, and I'm going to bring it back to this table here and plug it in over here. And the cord on this is only 25 feet. I wish I had like a 25-foot extension like you saw in my previous video, but I don't right now, so I have to make do with what I have. Piece of glitter right there, another piece right there. Can't pick that up. Too close to the edge. Bring the cord over here. This table. Back up a little bit. Put it back upright. Over here. Release again. Does, cool. Make sure to steer clear of that. This vacuum has no auto brush shut. Oh, and we have just run out of cord. Again, desperate need of an extension cord because 25 feet is not long enough on a vacuum. 30 should be the minimum. 40 should be the recommended. But that's just me. If it's a full-size upright vacuum like this, if it's like a compact, like the Bissell Power Force compact, then a smaller cord would be alright. This is a big vacuum, made for larger areas. I wish there was a sanitaire here, but there's not. See, this carpet is just absolutely trash. It's stained, it's dirty, it kind of has an odor to it. There's whatever type of stain that is, it's yellow. And then there's gum right there. It's just really bad. But I don't have access to a carpet washer here, so it's kind of unfortunate. Get another staple. There's another staple right here, if you can see it. It's still... Come on. Alright. Vacuum should be laying down now. Oh, here we go. There, got it. The glitter comes from all the arts and crafts they do. Quite a bit of time right now, so I can get this place really clean. Again, wish I had access to a carpet washer, but I don't. Even a small one just to pick up some of these stains would be great. Get some of these nastiness up. There's like some really bad stains. I've attempted some of the stains and lifted them somewhat, but they're mostly still there. A decent vacuum is all they have. They actually were supplied with a like $20 Dirt Devil, so I kindly donated this Hoover to them. A while back. Several years ago. Oh, actually not several years ago. Piece of glitter. Got it. Another piece of glitter. There's a mysterious yellow stain here. I really can't even begin to ask what that could have possibly come from. Probably a Sharpie. Even though they don't really use Sharpies here. It's mostly like toy markers and stuff like that. Just about done, so I could wrap up this cleaning. That's about what you can see on the carpet. I don't really see any more glitter or jumps or anything. So I'm going to stop here, and I am going to pop this dirt canister off and look at the filter. Pop the pre-filter off. Yeah, it's gotten decently dirty. There's more dust on here, but it's really not that bad. It's not too bad. I wish it had like a better cyclonic system, because this filter has to be washed every day or two because it gets so dirty. You can see there's tons of sand. It's mostly just there's a ton of sand here, and there's some hair right there and some other garbage that I picked up off of the carpet. You can see the cyclonic assembly is basically clogged and is going to need to be washed, or something's going to have to happen to it. I'm thinking if I should continue. There's plenty of time, so I'll get going again. I see more stuff on the carpet. It'd be cool if this thing had like a laser dirt finder or something, I don't know. course, I got some of the dust on me. Got a stain right there. There's a new one right here from I don't know when. I'm in here sometimes. That should be about it. Pop the lid again. There shouldn't be anything else. I'll just check the brush. And that's it. So bye, everyone.